Are you confused whether your child is ready for a preschool or not? Most parents think it's about age, but trust me, it's not. I have been running a preschool since 2003, and today I will let you know the real 5 signs you should look for. Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Mindful Parenting with Dimple. See, I'm a director and principal of a preschool with 3 branches in Thane. Every year, parents ask me the question that, ma'am, is my child ready? क्या वो जल्दी नहीं है? क्या वो लेट तो नहीं हो गया है? So today, let's make it very simple for you. First and most important sign is, can your child stay away from you at least for 1 or 2 hours? For example, if you leave the room, do they cry unconditionally or they settle down after some time? The important note is that crying is normal, but if the child can calm down with another adult, that's the positive sign. Second sign, basic communication skills. Your child doesn't need perfect speaking, but they should be able to express basic needs like water, toilet, hunger, discomfort. Even gestures or broken words are completely okay. Third sign, curiosity and interest in surroundings. Does your child show curiosity? Do they look for touching new things, asking questions, observing other kids? A curious child adapts faster in preschool. Fourth sign, ability to follow simple instructions. Can your child follow small instructions like come here, sit down, give me the toy? Because this shows readiness for a classroom environment. Fifth sign, some level of independence. See, this is a big one. Can your child eat with a little help, hold a glass, try to manage small things? Preschool is not about perfection, it's about trying. Parents think that my child knows ABCD, so they are ready. No, that's not readiness. Emotional and social readiness is far more important. And if your child doesn't tick all 5 boxes, don't worry. Preschool itself is a learning journey. Let me share a story with you. A mother once came to me very worried. Her child was about 2.5 years old. She said that, ma'am, my child doesn't know ABCD, doesn't write anything. I think he's not ready for preschool. I asked her one simple question. When you leave him for some time, what does he do? She said, he cries for 2 minutes and then starts playing with his toys. Then I asked, can he tell you what he wants? Water or something? She said, yes, he comes and says, Mama, Pani. I smiled and told her, your child is more ready than you think. Parents often think that readiness means writing, reading, and speaking perfectly. But in reality, the child who can emotionally adjust, who could communicate a bit, and curious and playful is ready. And when her child joined the preschool, within a few weeks, he was happily settling, making friends, and learning naturally. Sometimes it's not the child who is not ready, it's the parent who are just unsure. Many parents think, even grandparents think, अरे अभी छोटा है, बहुत जल्दी है ये स्कूल के लिए, और 1-2 साल रुक जाते हैं. See, a preschool is much more than academics. It is the first step towards your child's overall development. When a child comes to preschool, for the first time, they step out of their comfort zone, their home. And this is where the learning begins. Let's talk about some really important developments. First one is social development. At home, a child is surrounded by family members. But in preschool, they meet other children. They learn how to share toys, how to take turns, how to wait, how to cooperate. See, these small things may look simple, but they are life skills. A child who learns to adjust or interact early grows to be more confident and friendly. Emotional development. Preschool helps children understand their emotion. Sometimes they feel happy, sometimes just sad, sometimes they miss their parents. See, with the help of trained teachers, they learn how to handle these emotions. Slowly, they become independent and emotionally strong. Communication skills. In preschool, children are constantly exposed to conversations, rhymes, stories, and group activities. This improves their vocabulary and speaking skills. A child who can express their thoughts clearly will always have an advantage in life. Routine and discipline. Preschool introduces children to a structured routine. Circle time, meal time, snack time, activity time. So this helps them understand the importance of following a schedule. When they enter formal schools, they are already comfortable with the system and the transition becomes very smooth. Brain development. Preschool also plays a huge role in brain development. Through fun activities like puzzles, sorting, matching, creative play, children develop thinking skills, problem solving abilities, and creativity. They learn without pressure in a playful environment. Physical development. Activities like running, jumping, dancing, drawing, and coloring help in developing both gross and fine motor skills. These are essential for writing, coordination, overall confidence, and independence. Children learn to do small tasks from their home, keeping their bag, eating their snacks, participating in activities. So every small achievement boosts their confidence. Dear parents, preschool is not about forcing a child to study early. It is about preparing them for life. A strong foundation in early years leads to a successful future. So when you enroll your child in a good preschool, you are not sending them to a class. You are giving them the opportunity to grow, explore, and become the best version of themselves. I hope you have understood the importance of a preschool. So train your brains as every child is ours and we're parents. Also understand that every child is different. Don't compare. Just observe, understand, and then decide. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button and share it with more and more parents.